Hello, I'm Leslie Logan. Today we're going to talk about single straight leg stretch or scissors here on your C-Shaper.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So our third exercise in the ab series of 5, or the abdominal series, implies is your single straight leg stretch. Some people call it scissors. I like calling it single straight leg stretch because it really does make it a long exercise name, which means it's an important exercise, right? I mean, just kidding, I'm making that up. If you're here because you're using the OnlinePilatesClasses.com flashcard deck, thank you so much. I'm so grateful for you. I really love seeing how people use these decks, so definitely let me in the comments below. If you don't have those decks yet, check out all of our decks. They really help you put exercises together and understand how these different pieces of equipment can work together. Put the C-Shaper in the barrels deck because it's a reverse barrel. And it really does help teach us the longest flexion, like a lateral or spine corrector can help us teach the longest extension. So you would typically get into single straight leg stretch from double leg stretch. So you're here, you reach out, do one, bring it in, and then you just straighten your legs up to the sky and grab an ankle, lower the other leg down. Now I'm only going to lower it as much as it's connected to my center. I'm going to pull on this leg as my elbows, but I'm going to push the leg into the hands and pull on my hands on this leg. I'm going to pull 2 times and I'm going to switch and I'm going to pull, and I'm going to switch. So I'm pushing the leg into my hands into the leg. So I'm not just showing off how flexible I am because I want the space. Space is a wrong word or it's a misleading word. I want my abdominals pulling to the C-Shaper, my femur pushing away. So it's possible that your stomach or your chest is touching your thighs, but your femurs are pushing away, not the knees. As you pull on this leg, it's going to activate this hamstring as you pull on it to create flexibility, but the body has to stay connected to the C-Shaper. So on the switch, if you feel your stomach or your back pull away from the C-Shaper, it's doing it on the mat too. So it's a really good feedback tool for what our body is doing as we do these exercises. So use a C-Shaper as a great way to practice and prep yourself for your next practice. So I might do the C-Shaper, then do some mat, and then take my practice where my body is telling me it needs to go. If you have questions about this, put in the comments below. We'll finish off the other exercises on different videos because they're different cards in the flashcard deck. If you're an OPC member, I'll see you in our members only community. If you have any questions about joining OPC, check out onlinepilatesclasses.com/YouTube. Have an amazing day.